Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, before we get into today's video, in my last video we did today, we solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube with our eyes closed. But that takes down because in today's video, we are solving a 1x1 with our eyes closed. Let me just scramble it up first. Now 3, but wait. Before we start, just need to give you a warning first. Like I said in my last video, don't open your eyes during this challenge because I'm gonna think you're cheating, and I don't want that. Let's get in. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Level 1 was too easy. Let's take this up to level 2. Okay, moving on to the other side. Orange, yellow, and green. Yeah! That was almost too easy. But in later, this is gonna get even challenging. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Now, let's see if we can time ourselves. Let me go try again. Whoa, that was fast. That was fast, guys. This is what it took us. Now let's start over and let's do this again in 3, 2, 1. Wow, it took us 53 seconds. Wow. 0.53 seconds. Wow, that's awesome. Maybe I might get a 2x2, a 4x4, or a 5x5 for Christmas this year. If I do, we're doing a challenge. I may do a challenge with them once I get another Rubik's Cube, like a 2x2 or a 1x1, or we already have a 1x1. Like a 2x2, a 4x4, a 5x5. Which Rubik's Cubes do you want me to do once they're here? Comment down below if you love Rubik's Cubes. But anyways, it's just my friend Romeo. Want to say hi to him, guys? All right. You're on YouTube.
No, I'm not.
Look, you're on. This is my best friend Romeo. He appears in one of my Roblox videos, so yeah.
Oh, where I'm on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be famous.
Okay.
Can I help on the show?
Sure. But hang on. It moved?
Yes, it's riding in the Titanic.
Wow. Okay, guys, so we're going to end this video today. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to link in the pinned comment and turn on notifications. Bye! Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye, guys. Someday I will be a YouTuber.
Yes. Bye, guys.